Hey everyone, back here to do the other fan, the other Canarm Pleasantaire with the slightly shorter downrod. Otherwise, same thing, but I figured I'd test them both to compare and see what the current draws are, and had to treat the bearings on this one as well. Was able to get it a little quieter, so they both hum on straight high, so that's just the way they are, that's what I know of. So here's 0 to high. Yeah, the inrush is the same. They're both rated the same way. They're rated for half an amp. They do take a little bit to speed up, but they do fly. Because I can hear it's accelerating. I think one of the reasons it takes so long and spin down was long on the other one is steel on steel, steel blades and a stamped steel motor, just like a Silverline is. Okay, so it's drawn the same way. I mean, it draws less than it's rated, but it's flying. Yeah, at least, so it's drawing 0.42, or, oh, it just dropped a little bit some more. Okay, let's do the watts. 44 watts. And, yep, same power factor. Close to a power factor of 1, but just not quite. All right. The airflow on these is not quite. You have to stand under it. I mean, it does give off a breeze quite a bit, but it's more, but for a 36-inch fan, yeah, it's more for like small areas. So, flops between 4.2 and 4.1. So, here's spin down. But there again, this is a bit more like with the shorter downrod, closer to what the old Wal Marts had in their foyer entryway with the electric doors. Wow. Long spin down. Still spinning down, yep, just like the other one. Long spin down. Wow, it's still, yeah, I mean the bearings are good enough where it spins down for a long time. I mean, it doesn't stop abruptly. Okay. Okay. Well, just like the other one, long spin down, so I'm going to do the decade box. See where it starts on this one. See if it starts lower or higher. 1, 2. I think that's going to keep going, actually. Now the other one just stalled. This one looks like it's going to keep going, so it starts on 2. Oh yeah, at that speed, it's going to keep going. Here's 3. Let's see what's it draw on 3. 4. And 5. Okay, so this one's a little bit lower current draw on 5. Interesting. The other was like 0.3 on 5 microfarads. This one is a little bit lower. All right, here's 6. Here's 6, 7, 8. See if it drops. It's like pretty close to high already on 8. Here's 9. This one also, like a lot of 36-inch fans, aren't the greatest with sometimes even with 3-speed capacitor-based controls, unless you custom build them. Here's 10. Okay, yeah, I can't really go up more. Here's 11 just to see. 15. Yeah, it's going over at 20. All right. Get up there. And I'm going to do solid state variable. Let's see where this. Okay, right at 3 o'clock. Oh yeah, just as noisy. And I said before in the last video that these were just as noisy in the entryway of Wal Mart. Okay. Still speeding up. Yep, pretty much the same current draw on solid state, so I've already done 0 to high, so that's actually all I have for this Canarm Pleasantaire with the shorter down rod. So I'll be back next time with more fans, so keep watching and subscribing.